Hi, so this is my digital portfolio for Education 325. And this just says, hi, my name is Divina Mendoza, and this is my portfolio. So my first little tab is going to be the reader's response blog. So right here is the direct link to my blog, and this area right here, it talks about the assignment. Overall, my overall reflection on this major assignment, it's something that I really did enjoy doing, just because some of the books I did read them in the past, when I was in elementary school, which was a long time ago. I really, really loved doing this. It actually gave me the chance to pick up books that I never even heard of, or I never had the chance to read, or I just didn't think I would like them. But overall, I really liked this assignment. It was actually really hard to pick one assignment that I really enjoyed because I had a lot of fun doing all of them. And my next tab is going to be the Family Literacy Backpack. So in this one, this area right here just talks about the assignment and everything I had to do for the assignment. And right here is a PDF file that I put inside this section with my assignment. And this was an assignment that I really, really enjoyed. I had the chance to be very creative and include some of my favorite books and the projects that I enjoyed doing as a child. Although I didn't have the chance to actually give a child my backpack, I thought this would be something that would be really, really fun to include in my future classroom, just because, it gives kids the time to read different themed books, and as a teacher you can learn what the kids like and set up a whole little backpack for them to do over long holiday breaks, such as Thanksgiving break or Thanksgiving break and winter break, or even spring break, just so the kids have something to do. The next tab is the book trailer. I actually didn't do this assignment because I participated in the Family Learning Conference. I really enjoyed the Family Learning Conference, and I do hope that when I do my master's program that I have the chance to actually go to this conference in person. The next tab is the library field trip experience. So with this assignment, it says assignment right here, and down here I actually put my assignment, it's embedded, it's a PDF file that I put inside this. I actually really enjoyed this assignment. Due to COVID-19, I actually learned so much, the impact it actually made on libraries and the way we receive books and the way we read books and stuff like that. I personally would rather have an actual book than to hold it and to fill the pages and stuff like that. But, before doing this project, I didn't know COVID had such a impact on public libraries. Doing this project, I actually ended up getting a library card, which is actually really fun, and I'm gonna use it after the semester's over, so I can read a little bit more. But yeah, I got so much out of this project. I got a library card that I didn't know I was able to get online. I've never had one before, and that was just really fun to do and to research and actually learn about. And then right here you click on more, and this is my self-selected virtual library. I had so much fun doing this. I actually read extra books. So this is just a little description of the assignment, how much points it was worth, and then this, I really like the quote, so I put it in here. It says, between the pages of a book is a wonderful place to be in. I think that's a really nice quote, because, it's true, when you're reading a book, it kind of comes to life in your mind and you can picture it and stuff like that. I embedded my video about it right here, and then if you click on this link, it's going to take you to my Google library, and then this link right here, it actually just takes you to this video. I really liked doing this assignment. I learned that certain books could actually benefit kids in my future classroom. I also learned that the books that I pick can impact my students in different ways and making them eager to read and like wanting and willing to read. And I think that's something that's important because I know there's a lot of students that hate reading. When I'm a teacher, I'm going to incorporate this inside my future classroom, but I'm going to be using actual books, and I would actually, in like my own little like classroom blog and stuff, I would put a virtual library so students can also refer to that. And then my last little tab right here is going to be the author study. I actually had so much fun with this assignment. This is the author that I picked, and I actually ended up getting the chance to be a student volunteer for her for the virtual family conference. Was actually really, really cool because I got to learn more about her than what I did in this assignment, and I actually really enjoyed it. Just doing this project, it really inspired me to want to read more, just because I did learn about her book and the way she perceives reading and how it actually impacts your mind a lot. Before this assignment, I didn't know about her until I picked her and had the chance to host for her. I thought her books were like amazing. Her book about the Invisible Toolbox, I actually really, really liked it when she was talking about it and stuff. As a future educator, I do think it is really, really important for children to read, and I think it's important. It's going to be my job to make sure that students are reading and getting that like development with their vocabulary and the way they write and speak, and yeah, just overall, I really, really enjoyed this assignment. My overall thoughts on the e-portfolio, I really enjoyed it. I did like how I had the chance to go back and review my work throughout the semester. The Reader's Response blog, that was one of the very first major assignments that I started on, and I just feel like at first I didn't really know what to expect from it. At first I just thought it was a lot, but I actually really, really enjoyed it, and it did really inspire me. That's it.